If you're looking for an easy-to-operate yet powerful tomato sauce production line, this equipment is the perfect choice. It can produce granulated or finely processed tomato sauce, available in various packaging formats such as bags, bottles, and cans. The production process strictly adheres to standard procedures, ensuring the final product meets GMP hygiene requirements. Our tomato sauce production line includes a washing machine, an elevator, a pulper, a cooking and emulsifying mixing tank, a blending concentration tank, a temporary storage and cooling tank, a filling machine, and a sterilizer. Freshly harvested tomatoes carry impurities such as dirt, dust, and pesticide residues. The washing machine removes these impurities through spraying, rinsing, and brushing, ensuring the raw materials are clean and hygienic. The elevator lifts the washed tomatoes from a lower position to the pulper. This improves the flow of the production line, reduces manual handling, and minimizes material loss and the risk of cross-contamination. The pulper cuts or crushes the tomatoes to form tomato pulp. This is a crucial step in tomato sauce production, releasing the tomato juice and pulp. The cooking, emulsifying, and mixing tank is a crucial piece of equipment performing key functions such as heating, mixing, emulsifying, and homogenizing. It ensures that the raw materials in the tomato sauce production process are thoroughly mixed to achieve the desired taste, concentration, and stability. The blending concentration tank in the tomato sauce production line primarily concentrates the tomato pulp, adjusts the flavor, controls viscosity, and removes unnecessary moisture. This ensures that the tomato sauce's concentration, acidity, and sweetness meet the expected standards, and guarantees product stability and hygiene safety. During the tomato sauce production process, after heating, cooking, or concentration, the tomato sauce is typically at a high temperature. At this point, a temporary cooling tank is used to cool the hot tomato sauce to a suitable temperature range for subsequent filling and packaging processes. The filling machine fills the processed tomato sauce into bottles, bags, cans, and other containers. Hot or cold filling methods can be selected according to requirements to ensure consistent filling volume. Sterilization is a critical step in food processing, especially for products like tomato sauce that contain water and sugar, making them prone to bacterial and microbial growth. Sterilization machines use heating, steam treatment, and other technologies to kill any microorganisms, including pathogens, bacteria, and mold, that may be present in tomato sauce, ensuring it achieves commercial sterility and extending its shelf life. A mature tomato sauce production line encompasses multiple stages, from raw material cleaning, lifting, pulping, cooking and emulsification, blending, concentration, temporary cooling, bottling, sterilization, to finished product storage. Each stage requires different specialized equipment to ensure efficient production and food safety. From raw material processing to finished product packaging, advanced modern automated equipment not only improves production efficiency but also ensures the consistency and quality safety of the tomato sauce. If you are interested in our tomato sauce production line, please leave your contact information, and we will provide you with a free quote.